Hello, everyone. I'm going to make a short training video with KEEPA for beginners. So here we have KEEPA. For who doesn't know what exactly is KEEPA, is a software where you can analyze the history of a product to see if it's selling, at what price, the number of sellers, how the buy box is rotating between the sellers and many other details. And with KEEPA, you can take a better buying decision, if it's good or not, by judging the KEEPA graphs. So this is the KEEPA, what we see here. We have a product here, so I would just turn on every single feature from the KEEPA and go through them. So, and this is the first graph from the top. We have new, it's a blue line. This blue line shows the cheapest offer on Amazon, but we need to be careful. This cheapest offer, it can be the FBM without the shipping. So, and the price of this new, the cheapest offer is the price that when a seller has added the item into inventory, Amazon asked him, okay, what is the price? The seller said $29.83. But aside of this, it was a shipping, £5 or $5 or whatever. I'm going to say pounds because I live in UK and I'm just used with the pounds. But if it's not pounds, it's dollars, right? Or euro. Okay. So just always be careful when you analyze this line. Is the cheapest offer, but we don't know if the shipping or not is included. The sales rank. The sales rank, I'll just make it for 1 year. Yeah, so on the bottom here, we have the range. I'll just leave it for, let's say, 3 months, 3 months. Okay, for a moment. I know it looks very confusing, but it will get easier when you learn all these lines. Let me turn off this one. So this green line is the rank of the listing. So we see here the sales rank, it's 102,368. Then we have here for like 39,972. So this listing, this product in its own category, in the category of beauty, okay, is the 39,972 best seller product. The lower the rank is, the better it's selling. When you see a product with sales rank 1, that's the top one, the best seller from that category. Okay, so the lower, the better. We see here 32,193. Okay, so we had in that time on September 23rd, we had rank 1 for I don't know what product from that category, which was selling the most. Then we had this product, 32,193 best seller. Okay, I hope it makes sense. And as I said, the lower, the better. And we see here is growing. This is because the product wasn't selling. So every single drop, it means at least 1 sale. It could be 2, it could be 3, it could be 1. Okay, and we see here on 23rd of September, we got 1 or 2 or 3 sales. Okay, let's just call it 1 sale to keep it simple, but it could be more than 1 sale. So what happened from 58,064? A customer purchased this product. What happened? It just dropped. Okay, other products increased in sales rank, this dropped, okay? Because as I said before, every product, the more sales it gets, the better it will be ranked, yeah? So lower, it go down. It got to sell, it dropped. Then it didn't sell at all from September, let's say 23rd of September till here, 7th of October, didn't sell. Then again, another sell, boom. Again, it dropped, okay, to 39,000. Then now it didn't sell since 7th October, it didn't sell at all. If you go for 1 year, we see here drops, okay? So we can see the, yeah, one sell here, 62,000 is increasing to 2,058. Again, drop, boom, one sell. Again here, it's increasing, another sell here, okay? So this is how you judge how many sales this product, how many sales it gets. Only if I have a quick look, I can see maybe it's one a month. If you go to statistic here, just to make it easier, we see 4.7 sales per month, okay? But this, we had quite good sales here in September. I would say one sale here, two sales, maybe three, another one here, one. Okay. When you have a product which is not really selling great like this one, we can count drops. Later I'm going to show you a product where it's selling very, very fast, and all these drops are like at the bottom, like flat. Okay. In that case, you can't order the drops, but you can recognize that it's selling very, very fast. I'm going to show you an example later on. Okay. When I analyze the sales rank, always I like to go for 3 months, past 3 months, 1 year, and all just to have an overview. When you see the KEEPA graph, something like this, okay, no sales rank, this is because we had no sales here, but actually no. The reason is Amazon just didn't give informations to KEEPA. So KEEPA couldn't put any information regarding the BSR, which is not a problem. What we need to do is to see how the BSR it's acting now, okay? And to have an idea, okay, we had one seller here, but we see the pattern here. We see like an average is selling 1, 2, in my opinion, selling like 2, 3 months, 2, 3 times a month. What else I'm using? I'm only showing exactly what I'm using, what is important. Okay, FBM. So we see here the price for the FBM, like blue squares. Let me make it. Okay, so these blue squares, this is the price with the shipping included. If you click on the blue square, we will see the cheapest offer. All you want was the cheapest at $29.83. We see a little track here. It means the shipping is included, but always when you turn on the FBM, it will always show you the price with shipping included. Okay, so we can see here the cheapest was all you want, $29.83 on 5th of October. Then $26.99, $26.99, $29.83. We see the date, even the hour. Okay, at the bottom, Friday, October 8, 9:21. Okay, we see here $42.80. Be and care. Okay, but again, we see the price here. It was $42.80. But as I said here, when you turn on the FBM, you'll see the price with shipping included. So this one, B&Care, was selling at $36.90 plus $5.90 shipping. Okay, if I'll turn on new, we see here, look, at the new line, we see 36.90. Do you remember I said no shipping included, okay? And we see FBM 42.80. Actually, now we see the price for the same seller once with 36.90, and the FBM graph is showing a seller at 42. Actually, they are the same seller, but the new is showing with no FBM and with no shipping, and the FBM with 42.80. So always we look at the FBM to see the cheapest price with shipping included for the FBM seller. Okay, I hope it's clear. Then I will turn on the FBA. This is one of the most important graphs in case you do FBA. So these orange triangles, okay, we see the price, the cheapest offer. Again, with the shipping included. The only time we don't have the shipping included is new. I keep repeating this because many people are finding this confusing. Okay, is shipping included or not? No, the only time when the shipping is not included is new. Okay, anything else is with shipping included. So if I click here on 7th of October, we see the cheapest FBA seller was Coral Eclipse, price 33.95. Okay, then if we just move the mouse, we can see 33.90. So it's decreased with 5 pence. Then if you play with the mouse, you can see how the price went up and down. Okay, so you can judge how the price acted in history. Okay, then again, we only see FBA sellers from here. I think from 19th of August. This because before there was no FBA sellers. Yeah, we only had FBM sellers. Okay, and now if you look here, from here up to here, we see it was selling once a month, in my opinion. Yeah, one drop a month, as you can see. But this is the power of FBA. When the FBA sellers has jumped on a listing, look at the sales rank. It dropped more. Yeah, we can see it's selling faster. Like here, one drop is going, there are no sales for a month. Here, one drop, and sales rank has dropped a lot. Yeah, for 2000 here, an average was going up to 2036, 2067. Yeah, but here it's going up to 1030, 40 because it's selling faster. Look here, look this period. This is the power of FBA because people prefer to pay more to get their products shipped faster. Then we have the buy box. The buy box, for who doesn't know what is buy box, basically is this box here. Okay, whoever has the name on this box, he will get the order. Like when a client is going to a product and is willing to buy a product, he just go to this product here and okay, I'm happy, 31.95. Just click buy now. He doesn't know where he's buying from which seller. Look here in SaaS. I will make another video where I'll explain SaaS. We have here on this listing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At least 10 sellers shown here. But now we have, if you look at KEEPA, we have I think 13. Yeah, but here in SaaS is showing the first 10. Okay, so whoever has the name on this box, when the client press buy now, the seller will get the sale. Okay, this is why it's very important to have buy box. Even if you don't have buy box, we can still get sales, but 80%, at least 80% of the sales are going to the people who are having the buy box. Okay, so the buy box is this purple line, and we can see the buy box, the price history of the buy box. We see here was 43,000 held by an FBM seller. Okay, now 44.10 by an FBA seller. Now it dropped to an FBM seller, 29.83, 33.95 FBA seller. Okay. We see here there was no buy box here. This is because what is happening sometimes when Amazon thinks that your offer is not competitive, it will take away the buy box just to force you to drop the price. Okay. It happens to many listings. The buy box will be taken away. Even if it's taken away, the product is still selling. Yeah. There are more things about the buy box and the other things I mentioned before, the FBA, but I will go in depth later on.